I'll be honest and tell you that, Sarabjit, I think COVID did us a favor. मेहरबानी करके गया है वो. Because India was otherwise very prejudiced. You know, we saw a gap as something like a major failure in somebody's life. But I think COVID did one thing, which is that a lot of people lost jobs. There were crazy layoffs. Some people didn't find jobs, and they literally have a gap there. They can't do anything about it. It's a reality. So one thing that has happened with a lot of mature HR, which I will repeat, mature HR, is we have literally written off COVID years. Don't judge the COVID years, okay? We don't know what this person did. Maybe it's a small company. Maybe he took a salary cut. Maybe he or she went out and did nothing, did a course. But I'm not going to judge you for that. That's number one. So we have become kinder as evaluators. I'm not saying all are. Some orgs can still be very stringent about it. The other is, of course, when you see that in a CV, I worry about AI to one extent, because everywhere on the internet you see people struggling with jobs because AI seems to be the first partner in sifting, sieving resumes and doing things like that. So if you are putting in prerequisites of continuity in a job, then yeah, that AI itself will throw the person out. You see?
Okay.
So one of the things that manual evaluations and actually seeing people the old way does as benefit is that when you see that in the rest of the resume is quite nice, you feel like talking to the person and asking them what happened. We had a case of a guy who was phenomenal in his earlier job, and he had a 3-year break. And then after that, he took a 50% salary cut to come out and work somewhere else. Okay. So we could have dismissed saying that no, not the right profile. CTC bhi match nahi karta hai was the first response of the recruiter. And I said, no, something is wrong, because that bigger company before, and then 3-year gap, and then something. No, we need to find out what happened with the person. And guess what it turned out to be? It turned out to be tuberculosis of the spine for his wife. And he had no option but to take care of her, which is a chemotherapy patient basically. And he's the only caregiver. So he actually put his career on hold to bring her back to life. Come on, how can you not respect this guy? Okay. And then because he stayed away for 3 years, he took the first job that's available.
Okay.
So he's brought back into the interview cycle. So I'm telling you, humanity plays a very important role. Empathy, compassion, HR at the end of the day, we're not mechanical characters, right? This is why we're brought in. Otherwise, we can all be replaced and some machine can run these functions.